Hello students, in this class we will continue pair of linear equations in two variables, that is exercise 3.3, third problem. In the previous class we completed the third problem, three problems in the third problem. Here we have the fourth problem. The fourth problem given is the taxi charges. So charges in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered for a distance of 10 kilometers. The charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometers the charge paid is rupees 105. So here in the question I have repeated this one two times. So here for the how much 10 kilometers rupees 105, and for 15 kilometers this statement has been repeated twice. So the charge paid is rupees, that is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So there are two, we have to form a two expression in this problem, given problem. So first we'll start the solution. Solution is, first step, let fixed charge be, that is rupees x, and charge per kilometer B rupees y. Therefore we have to see in the question, we have to find how much does a person have to pay for traveling the distance of 25 kilometers. What is the fixed charge and charge per kilometer? So the fixed charge be x and the charge per kilometer be rupees y. So two variables here taken. Next step, we have to form the first, what is the statement, we'll read, that is, see here, for the charge for the distance covered for 10 kilometers is rupees 105. So what is x plus what is, that is 10y. This is kilometers and this is charge. So charge plus 10 kilometers, that is 10y is equal to how much? 105. This forms the first expression. So next expression we have to see here, the charge and the journey. So I'll remove this one. So here, and for the journey of 15 kilometer, then we'll continue from here. The charge paid is rupees 155. So now second equation will be, and so this is journey is 15 kilometers, so we'll write x as it is, x plus, since this is a fixed charge, and the kilometers will be 15 y is equal to rupees will be 155. So 10 kilometers 105, 15 kilometers 155. This will be the second expression. So now we take from, that is equation 2, that is we have to find out y. So y is equal to 15y is equal to 155 minus x, where y is equal to 155 minus x by how much? 15. So this is the from equation, that is 2. Now substituting y is equal to 155 minus x by 15 in which? In equation 1. So which is equation 1, that is x plus 10y is equal to 105. Substitute for y, x plus 10, that is 155 minus x by 15 is equal to 105. So now solve this cross multiply here, So 15x, 15 into x, 15x plus how much? 10 into 115 will become 1150 minus 10 into x, 10x, then 15 into 105 will become 1575. So after this we'll see the group this, then this. Therefore 15, this becomes 15x minus 10x is equal to how much? 1575 minus 1550. So we are getting this. Solve this, we get 15 minus 10 is 5x is equal to 1575 minus 1550 will become how much? 25 we are getting. Finally how much? X is equal to, that is 25 by 5, which is equal to 5. Therefore we got x is equal to 5. So this is the one part we solved x. Now next we'll continue. Therefore from this one, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is which one? Exercise 3.3, and the problem we are solving is third one, that is the fourth sub problem. So we'll continue this problem. So what happened? We got x is equal to how much? 5 we got. Now substituting x is equal to 5 in, so one thing here we found out this one, y is equal to, name this equation as equation 3. So this is equation 3. So now x is equal to 5 in equation 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 is equal to y is equal to 115 minus x by 15. So now put x is equal to, that is 155 minus 5 by 15. So what happens? Solve this, will get, that is 150 by 15. 15 ones are 15 tens are. Therefore what we get? Y is equal to 10 we are getting. So we got both the x and y. So next part is now hence fixed charge. How much we got? That is rupees 5. And charge per kilometer, how much? That is 10 is rupees, how much? 10. So amount to be paid. Now next line, amount to be paid for traveling. Amount to be paid for traveling, how much? 25 kilometers. So is equal to how much? Fixed charge. What is fixed charge? That is x plus, that is rupees 10. That is the first equation. Rupees 10 into how much? That is 25 kilometers. Fixed charge x plus 10, that is y into 25 is equal to, now we substitute this is rupees 5 plus rupees, that is 10 into 25. Now we are getting 5 plus, that is 250 is equal to 255. So 255 we got, hence the final, that is final statement we write is hence the amount paid by the person for traveling 25 kilometers is how much? Rupees 255. So substitute both x and y here. X is the fixed charge plus y into 10. So y is 10 into how many kilometers he has to travel. So that is x plus y into 25. So x how much we are getting? That is 5, and y is 10 into 25. Solve this, we get 255. So final statement is yes, the amount paid by the person for traveling 25 kilometers is rupees 255. So this is the solution for the fourth problem. We move on to the fifth one. So what is the fifth problem given? A fraction becomes 9 by 10 if 2 is added to both of the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So we'll write down the solution. So both the problems are very important. I have marked the star here. This is the exam appearing problems. This was previous one also, this one also. So we'll start the solution. Solution is, that is, a fraction becomes, these are the data given in the problem, 9 by 11 if what the problem says 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So this is the first statement. So now for first condition, before this we'll write let x by y be the fraction. X by y be the fraction. So x by y be the fraction. So we'll one by one we'll take the condition. For condition 1, that is when 2 is added to both this one only, when 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. I have written here only, or we can write as when 2 is added to both, that is numerator and denominator. Therefore, new fraction we get, new fraction is equal to how much? That is add x by y, then add both 2 in numerator and 2 in the denominator. This is the new fraction. Then x by x plus 2, y plus 2 is equal to how much they are given? 9 by 11, which is equal to, the fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Then we have to equate this to 9 by 11. Then cross multiply. So cross multiply, how much we get? Therefore we get, that is 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. So therefore we get 11x plus 22. This side we get 9y plus 9 2s are 18. So much 11x. So this forms an expression 11x minus 9y. Add this one. Therefore 18 minus of 22 will get 4, which is equal to 0, which is the first equation. So we formed an equation from the first condition, that is adding 2 to both the numerator and denominator and equating to the given fraction 9 by 2. So for second condition, for condition 2, when 3 is added, to both, same thing, when 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. So what happens now? Same thing we have to repeat, that is the next fraction or the new fraction. We write new fraction, how much? That is x plus 3 by y plus 3. So next what we have to give? It becomes, now we have to equate this one to, they have given the fraction in the problem y plus 3, which is equal to 5 by 6. So we will continue this. Here, so what happens? I'll write once again, that is x plus 3 plus y by 3 equating to 5 by 6. Now we have to cross multiply this. 5, what happens is, that is 6x into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So now solve this. This will become 6x plus 6 3s are 18, and this will become 5y plus 15. Solve this, how much we get? That is 6x plus 5y plus 18 minus 15 will become plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So we got the, from two statements of the problem, we got the two expressions. So now here from equation that is 2, we have to find out what? Y. So equation 2, 5y is equal to 6x plus 3. This is the third. Next, y is equal to 6x plus 3 by how much? 5, which will become the third equation. So we got all the three equations. Now what happens? Next step, on substituting y is equal to 6x plus 3 by 5 in equation, which one? In equation 1. So what we get, that is, take this 11x minus 9y plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore 11x minus 9 into 6x plus 3 by 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply this, this one becomes 55x, and 9 into 6 will become 54x plus, that is 3, 9 into 3 will become 27. This will become minus, this is minus 27 plus 5 4s are 20. This one, cross multiply this with this, then bring this 9 inside the bracket, means multiplying this 20, which is equal to 0. Finally solve this. See here we get x here, then this one solve, we get finally 7. That is minus 27 plus 20 will become 7. This 55 minus 54 is x. So therefore we got x here. Next is substituting x is equal to 7 in which equation? In equation 3. So we have to substitute in the equation 3. Which is equation 3 here? That is y is equal to 6x plus 3 by 5. So 6x is 7 plus 3 by 5. So 6 into 7 will become how much? 42. 42 plus 3 by 5, which is equal to 45 by 5. Y is equal to 5 ones and 5 nines. Therefore, we are getting 9. So finally, how much we got? X and Y values. So therefore, hence we write, hence the required fraction is how much? That is x by y is 7 is x by y is equal to 7 by 9 is the answer. So this is x, this is y, then x by y is 7 by 9. So that if required fraction is 7 by 9. So this is the solution for the third, that is fourth and fifth problem. We will continue the next problem in the next class. Subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.